Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alexandria. Welcome. I'm so excited to see you guys in a new video, and it's fun. It's a fun purple springtime look. I'm excited to I almost didn't come onto the camera today because I was kind of not in a mood of recording, but I did tell myself, I did promise that I was gonna come drop videos once a week, and this will make the video of the week. And I'm working on this palette right here. I discussed it with you guys. It's very beautiful, very bright colors. And how is it I'm about to start talking about a palette, and I wanted to tell you guys who I am. If you're new, I am a beauty creator here on YouTube. I also have a blog that I write about fashion content and lifestyle. So I haven't wrote in my blog in a while, but I'm still like trying to get back into the groove of writing on my blog. But I'm in school right now, so it's kind of like taking up a little bit of my time, but I still want to go ahead and give you guys videos when it comes to makeup and everything. And you also can follow me on Instagram. I do post blog, I post fashion pictures there. If you're interested in following like my fashion tips, you could go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I will write my Instagram on the screen, or I'll put it down below and you could go ahead and follow me. So yes, and also I'm from New York, and I'm a bronze girl from New York City. So yeah, this is a very exciting video. I have so much energy. It is, yeah, I'm full of energy today, guys. So we're here working on this very beautiful color. I'm gonna show you guys in the inside. It is a very pretty palette. This is the third of the three palettes. We did the mint and we did the peach, and then now we're doing this one. So very beautiful color. I use almost all the shades here. They're very pigmented. I did a different format when I did this eye look. You'll definitely see it in the tutorial. I usually start with my crease, but this time I didn't. I went starting with my lid. So it's a little different, but it came out with a good turnaround. So I was really excited about that. But overall, this is a very, very pretty palette. Very pretty for the summer, spring, spring for next year. But if you get it now, it will be good for the summertime. But very beautiful. It was worth the wait, because if I remember, I was discussing with you guys, it was part of the Mulan collection, and because of COVID-19, a lot of stuff stopped delivering, and my package was in California for like 2 months. So I didn't get my hands on the palette, but I did now, and I was kind of happy that all three of these shades are very well. They perform very nicely, and I enjoyed it. And overall, yeah, that's it. And I don't want to talk too much because I want to jump into the tutorial. For blush, I didn't contour today. I really just focused just doing my eyes and just adding some cheek color and highlighter and just a lip. For cheek, I went with the palette itself, so you'll see in the tutorial which color I use and all the fun shades that created this pretty look. So all right, so I want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and hit the notification button. I will be dropping once a week videos, but if I do have time, I'm in school now. If I have time, I will be posting twice a week, trying to get my schedule together, because I am in school, so sometimes it is a little quite difficult to get certain things up at a certain time. And online classes are like a killer. I took online classes for my bachelor's degree. Like a headache. I was pregnant when I went back to school, and it was super stressful. But the good thing about these classes, they're not like time compared to the ones I took before. So it's like you have to have it done by a certain month and date. But I'm gonna let you guys go because I hear my little ones, and with 2 children, I think they're gonna, you know how kids are, so I gotta go check on them. All right, guys, I want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you in my next one. All right, bye.
guys, I wanted to come here and do a little small voiceover in this part. Obviously we're looking at me creating the eyeliner for the look, but I really wanted to talk about, because you guys are gonna see there's a part where I do a glitter using the Max glitter pods for to apply on the liner. Obviously I'm doing the voiceover a lot earlier than the part, but if I'm able to edit it and kind of like move that voiceover over to the part that I want, then this voiceover part will be actually in the right spot when I start talking about it. But anyways, like you guys care. But I wanted to tell you guys what I used to kind of like, because obviously the liner dried up when I went first to start putting the glitter on my eyeliner. So I kind of used the Maybelline's Great Lash Clear to kind of wet my brush and to pick up the glitter itself. So it was very helpful to go ahead and use the clear mascara and pick up that glitter to go ahead and apply it on top of the liner that I created. And I'm so sorry that my kids are making so much noise in the background, but I just want to let you know what was I doing here, because I didn't show you guys, but I used a clear mascara to get it the brush sort of wet and tacky to pick up that glitter. All right, so let's jump back into the video.